Have you ever wondered if the cure for many illnesses doesn't lie in a pharmacy, but right in your own kitchen? You might be surprised to learn that a simple, yellow spice could be exactly what your body needs to restore its balance and health. Dear friends, welcome to another one of our informative and natural health-focused videos. Today, we'll be exploring one of the most powerful natural remedies, known to traditional medicine for thousands of years, and now confirmed by modern science. Yes, we're talking about turmeric. But before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in learning more about herbal medicine and healthy living, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our valuable videos. Now let's dive into the wonders of this golden spice turmeric. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a root from the ginger family, widely cultivated in Asian countries. Its main active ingredient, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and even anti-cancer effects. Health benefits of turmeric. 1. Reduces joint inflammation and chronic pain. Scientific studies have shown that curcumin works similarly to anti-inflammatory drugs, but without harmful side effects. For those struggling with arthritis or joint discomfort, turmeric is a fantastic natural solution. 2. Strengthens the immune system. Thanks to its potent antioxidant properties, turmeric helps your body defend itself against infections and diseases. It's especially beneficial during cold and flu season. 3. Improves digestion and relieves bloating. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine to soothe the stomach and enhance digestion. A cup of turmeric tea or adding it to meals can ease digestive issues. 4. Detoxifies the liver and cleanses the body. Turmeric supports healthy liver function and helps remove toxins from the body. It's ideal for those looking to detox and feel refreshed from the inside out. 5. Enhances skin health and fights aging. Curcumin helps reduce wrinkles, clear up acne, and bring out a natural glow. Turmeric face masks are among the most trusted traditional remedies for skincare. 6. Protects the brain and boosts memory. Recent research suggests that turmeric may lower the risk of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and improve focus and memory retention. 7. May help prevent certain types of cancer. Although research is still ongoing, many scientists believe that turmeric helps block the growth of some cancer cells and supports overall health. How to use turmeric. Add it to your everyday meals. A warm glass of milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric is a soothing, anti-inflammatory drink. Turmeric tea with ginger and honey is both healing and delicious. Curcumin supplements are also available, but always check with your doctor first. Important note: even though turmeric is a natural remedy, excessive intake or mixing it with certain medications can cause problems. Always consult a healthcare professional before making turmeric a regular part of your diet. Final thoughts: turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a complete healing remedy. Nature holds countless cures. We only need to learn how to recognize and use them wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can benefit from all our upcoming videos.